Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shop and Saga. So of course we are in Aldi on this Good Wednesday. And right here they have, what are these? Hard to tell plush pet beds. Okay, so these are 20. In a gray and a beige. Alright, so I walked a little past the aisle. We're gonna start over here just because they have all the Christmas stuff over here, and of course work our way back over. But these are $10. These are so cute. It's a bakery, a cafe. This is the village house. Do they all say that? LED nostalgic village house? Yeah. So this one just is a house, cafe, a bakery. I know this one is not going to be here for long. This one is so cute. It's a gingerbread. The toy store. And the candy shop. That is so cute. I'm trying to turn it around without dropping it. It's probably not helping that I got coconut oil all on my hands. But this is $12. So it's the tree. The angel. And I see a church back there. Tree, angel, and a church. Let's see. Can I get to the church? Hold on, yeah, here it is. Trying to get the flurries to make a. All right, and we saw these last week. They were out a little early last week. So it's him, the trees, the house, campers. It's another one of these little houses. Uh-oh. It's stuck in there. The tree, the snowman. And that camper. Those are $4. These snow globes are $8. I came super early today because I know that they're gonna wipe out, especially those cute candles. So it's the snowman, the tree, another gingerbread house. This is cute. Snowman and this house. There's a lot of varieties today. Let's see this one. Oh, okay, we did just look at that one. And again, those are $8. These are $7. A Huntington Home snow globe candle. So it is this one, white woods and musk scented. This one is peppermint buttercream. And I believe there's one more. Yeah, I see a blue one in there. This blue one is gingerbread cookies. The little dog is passing by. He's sniffing me out like, what's she doing? Let's set this right here. These are $7. Who's that? Santa, an angel, and a nutcracker. This one. The trees come in the pink, the green, and the blue. This color. And the whites, and look at this angel. These are $20. It's green, pink, and a bluish color. These are $9. These are candles too? Okay. Yeah, these are candles. So it's peppermint twist. This one doesn't have a top. I don't know why. Oh, it broke. Oh, wow. Pine needles. And the pink one is frosted berries. And these are $10, just the bigger ones to the smaller ornaments. All right, and we got some mixing bowls up here for $10. It's in this color, the pink and the green. These are $150, the matching mini utensils. So what's that? A spatula, a whisk, a brush, all that good stuff. There's a lot of them too. And the hand mittens, the dish towels, and the circle hand mittens. These are $5. The oven mitt, same colors. These are $6. Adjustable rolling pin, measuring cups, and the 3-piece sieve sets. Look like drainers, that's what I call them. These are $4. A lot of baking stuff. There was a lot of baking stuff in Walmart too. Did y'all check out the Walmart video? It had a lot of cute baking stuff for Christmas. These are $4, so it's the silicone mini muffin pan, the silicone loaf pans, silicone muffin pans, or this one is like a cake pan, right? Silicone round pan. These are $4. The mugs. There's a snowman. Gingerbread. And the tree. We just saw some trees like this in Burlington. These are $5. Plates. And it's the tree. Can he come out? Yep. The cookie jars are $15. It's the same, literally the same. So it's the snowman, the gingerbread, and the tree. Let's see. Does the gingerbread have a little peak? Yeah. A peak of the gingerbread. And a tree. Cookie jars. These are $6. I'm trying to see if there's any different ones besides those 3. Like think I'm only seeing those 3. The bacon pans are 13. I have a pan just exactly like this. I forgot where I got it from. Probably Walmart. These are 9. It's a set of 3 cookie sheets. It's the gold or the black. These are $30. Awesome pot. Alright, and these trees are 9. It's the colorful LED tree or the all white. Multicolor or the all white. I just fell. Y'all didn't see that. I just almost fell, man. In the bowls. Probably the snowman, yep. And the Christmas tree. Is the Christmas tree in here? Is it only the snowman? Okay. I would think they would have the Christmas tree since they have it in all the other sets. All right. The collapsible crates, these are $8. I see green, that blue, black. Glass meal preps, these are 13. Gray, the pink and the green, same colors as the mixing bowls and stuff. These are 5. Motion sense and LED lights. Got some ribbons for 5. And it's that pretty green one back there. These crates are $10. It's that one. This one with the tree. Oh, it's like another print in there. This print. So there's 3 of them. Wait a second, what's inside of this one? Are they just inside together? I think so. Yeah, okay. That one has the ribbon. I gotta tie the other one back together. That one has ribbon on the inside. And this one has the stripes on the inside too. Alright. Easy Home Self-Adhesive Ribbed Profile Weather Seal. Those are $4. The kitchen scale is $8. The hand mixers are $15. Electric kettle, $25. Foam dispenser, $10. Waffle maker, $13. I think that was here last week. That foam dispenser. Ooh, look at these cups. These are $4. They went through those quick. What's that one? I see gingerbread. And the snowflake. Glass baking dish. That is $13 for all 3 of them. Yep, so it's either these 3 or these 3 sizes. $50 for the classic stand mixer. So it's the gray one or the blue one. And this is Easy Home double draft seals. Oh, okay, for the bottom of the door. That is $7. This is $10. The ladies waffle pullover. Let's see, can we see what other colors they have? Okay, it comes in that cream and that gray. These are $13, ladies 2-pack. layering tops. Oh, these were here last week. All right, I did see those. Ladies loungewear sets. I think these were here last week too. Yeah, they were. I remember these. Okay. Ladies 4-piece PJ set. I must have ripped through those PJ sets. I don't even see where they came from. Here's some of the boots. I don't see the price on them just yet. It's those and these. I was trying to open the box, but it's not the easy open box. So there's those. And these are 15. They're in that black and the gray. There's ladies and the men's. Alright, so I'm seeing some whipped cream in here. So it's red velvet. These are $3. And the pumpkin spice. And they're calling these a fan favorite, $3.50. So it's the peppermint, the sweet vanilla, and the pumpkin spice. The cold foam by Barissimo. Still got some almond nog for $3.80. Two garlic dip. These are $4.50. It's buffalo and original. Alright, so then they have these. It's the indulgent Greek yogurt. So it's caramel, apple, donut, and maple flavored. And these are $3.75. What are these? Some coconut cream and key lime bites. Those are $3.29. I still have the gelato cups from last week. Some garlic cubes and basil cubes. I don't see a price for those. The lobster and the crab cakes. Those are $7. $5.79. Apple spice coconut clusters or the apple cinnamon coconut clusters. And what's this? Caramel apple granola for $4.30. Or the cinnamon bun granola. And I think that's it for all the new snacks. We've seen pretty much everything else over here. And these are new. So there's the Spindrift. It's grapefruit, lemon. And there's two other ones. Grapefruit, lemon, strawberry, lime. And another one. I don't see it. I think it's like a mango. But that's gonna be it for today, you guys. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Shopping around with me. Still got some pecan cookies, cream cheese, frosted pumpkin cookies. These are $4.30. I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I did. Looking at all the new Christmas goodies. Pumpkin spice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. And these are $7.